Slayer 97501 says, "Hey coach, the woman I am pursuing for marriage and loving for life and I are frequently encountering miscommunication, which leads us to both feel unloved by the other. How do we work and fix this?" Great question. The woman I am pursuing for marriage and loving for life and I are okay. So basically, just based upon just a conversation, what I would do is I would get my significant other and I would simply ask her, how do you communicate? Because miscommunication is because we have misinformation, reservations. So miscommunication could be because I have misreservations, meaning that I'm reserving things in my heart from how my mom may have communicated, how my dad communicated. I have reservations in my heart. Maybe I have doubts. Maybe I have insecurities. Maybe I have fears. Maybe I'm not as confident to communicate. Maybe I feel guilty, therefore I don't know how to communicate. Probably it could be a lot of different things that leads to misinformation and miscommunication, right? But the best way to fix miscommunication going forward is to really sit down and say, in the last 3 conversations that we had, where did we miss each other? Because oftentimes as men, we're very logical. Women are more emotional. So in communication, a man is waiting for the logic while the woman is waiting for the emotion. Therefore, the communication is missed because the man's like, why are you so passionate about this when it's a logical solution here? So now you got to ask yourself, okay, in the last 3 conversational points where we missed each other, how did we miss each other? Why did we miss each other? Then you will begin to find the holes in y'all's communication. Oh, so when you say this, you really mean this. You wasn't really having a strong tone with me. You was just, I understand now, right? Because that's important, because when you communicate without having first an initial communication on communication, then you're going to continue to have miscommunication. So you have to have the initial conversation on communication so you'll know how each other communicate. And then you won't be distracted by miscues because of the reservation you have about those cues. Oh, you raised your voice. Oh, but maybe you did. Like me and my wife, before we got married, our final counseling session was revolutionized the way we communicate. I'm Nigerian, and Nigerians oftentimes get passionate about what they say. So when I get passionate, she thinks I'm yelling, but I'm not yelling. When she began to realize, oh, he's getting passionate, he's not being aggressive. And I had to realize, my pastor was like, you got to realize you 6'2", man. You 6'2", 2 something. I ain't gonna tell you what the other numbers are. You 2 something. When you get passionate, you become bigger, which can then intimidate her. Then I had to realize, oh, that doesn't mean I don't make it. Well, I'm Nigerian, you got to take it. No, I have to meet. What's the common ground of communication? So when I feel myself get passionate, I have to realize, turn it down, Josh. You're not yelling, but you're big. And right now in an emotional conversation, you getting big can make her feel real small and make her feel whatever. You got to come more tenderly. You can still be passionate about what you're saying, but you have to bring it down a notch. And oftentimes she'll remind me, you're getting passionate, and then you're right, I bring it down, right? On her end, she can be very direct, and those directives can be triggering. And so we had to realize in these type of conversations, before they get to this level, maybe I should go to the grocery store. Maybe you should go over there and read the Bible or something, or I'll go read the Bible. We go our separate ways, whatever we love to do. Maybe get on your prayer call, and we'll come back when it's calmer, right? But if it's miscommunication on the basic things, then you have to have a conversation on how each other love to communicate, and then find the common ground of communication, and then when you find a common ground, then plant new seeds, and then watch your communication blossom from there. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you want to engage more content, make sure you check out the videos over here. If you want to learn more about the books that I've written or the cars that I've created, or ways you can support and engage with what I do online, make sure you check out the links in the description box below. And if you've been watching this far, you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe, hit that bell, and make sure you leave a comment. I would love to read it and would love to engage and be your coach online. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.